Alright guys, now we want to deal with a token. We want to take the token. So for this reason, go in here in where is it? Let me find it. In user ctrl here, okay, we got here guys the async. We don't need the async here because for this function we already have an async. Okay, just remove it, right here in verify token, right, close it right now. Let's go and deal right now with a login. Okay. So we are going to create is login set is login. Okay, it's gonna be equal with use state, and here we're gonna put the false, right? Okay guys, of course we need a variable const, right? After this, let's go and create a function. It's gonna check the login for the token. So checking token login, right? Let's call it const check login okay, equal with, we are gonna put here what, of course we need not here before an async because we are going to use a wait. So let's write const token equal with local storage. We want to get the token, okay, and we are gonna put here a token, a value of store. Let's write token store. Okay, after this let's write if token is, really exists, what we want. We want to create a const verified variable equal with await axios dot, we want to make a request get to verify from the backend. So user, we need here the verify, okay, and we need to put some headers. So let's put, let me see, headers, okay, no, with capitals, headers, okay, and it's gonna, come on, let's put it here. I am trying to put it there, headers, okay, and then we need to put here an object with also, why this happen right now? Okay, because we need an object here. What I'm doing, object, and then we need to put headers, okay, and we need let's create another object here. We need authorization to put, and to put here the token, okay, right. yes, here let's put right now log verified. Right after this, let's make a set is login, and we want the verified dot data from database. Now if verified, okay, dot data is exactly equal with false, what we want to return local storage dot clear. Okay, if it is false, it means that when we don't want the login, we just go from login, we log out in reality, then we want the data to be cleared, so we get out from admin. I'm gonna show you later. Return locals dot clear. Okay, else let's also put an else. Okay, let me see. Here we are gonna put the else. Okay, after this, just put else what we want. Set is login is gonna be false. Okay, let me see. We got here the basic function, then we got the token, if token, and then the else here. Right. Let's now go and create another use effect. We can create another use effect if we want. Okay, what I'm doing. Right. Let's go here, user try catch, let's put an error. Let's work inside the try. Okay, let's call right now, we want to call the check login. Check login. Okay, we just call this. If I open the terminal, okay, we can't see anything right now. I'm gonna open my console. Right, now let's go and create. If I go in storage, of course we don't have anything in local storage. Let's go right now in login here, and what we want, go here, put import data context. Okay, from let's put dot okay, we need this context and the global context. Okay, after this, go here above the history or below the let's create it. Okay, let's create here a const state. We want to take the data from right now from context, so equal with use context. Okay, and we need the data context, of course, right? After this, let's go const is login set is login is gonna be equal not equal is state dot is login. Okay, let me see, state dot is login, and it seems we have problems. State is login is not unsatisfying. Okay, I know why. Because here, let's go here, just copy this piece, right? We have to import it from we didn't put it here, is login, right? And then put this. Now we got it from value. Let's see. Yes, we don't have error. Right now, let's go and deal with okay, we got all this data. Right now, let's go to login, right? We got the consist login set is login. We have to work here in login right now, guys. Okay, after the set user here, let's go and make local storage dot set item. Okay, we need the token store. We want to put the item there with the value of token store, and we need the rest dot data dot token. Okay, from login. So when we push the login, this is gonna happen. It's gonna say send the token store, and we are going to save the data generally in local storage. Then after this, let's go and put set is login is gonna be true, right? After this, okay. Alright, let's go and see what happened right now. I'm gonna reload it, right? For example, if I go here in Mara that we created, that has the Mara 321 login, and I can see anything. Let's reload. Okay, look here. We got a token, guys. Right? What does it mean? It means that now, look, if I reload, we see, if I reload, now we are in admin, guys. Okay, we have access here, right? About admin. We got this token. If I delete the token and then reload, let me see. Okay, I can go again here. Now we got the token. That means that we are in a good place. It's very important. So let's try again to send to login, and we are getting the token right now here in local storage. This token is very, very important. Login. Okay. And if I put here, look, I've got the token right now. You reload, you are going to see this token. Okay. Now, what I want to do, I want to create, later we are gonna create the logout, right? Now we can just delete from this. Okay, and we don't have token.